We're actually the same age, like pretty much
82?
like almost exactly 83 January.
Okay.
So
still year of the dog?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Year of the dog. There we go.
How do you embrace aging?
You have to be more serious about how you take care of yourself. But other than that, it's just the same stuff, right? I mean, you're still you, and life's still life, and music's still good, and dancing's still fun. When you're in your 40s, you have had the opportunity to see how certain decisions bore fruit over time. And so you can kind of assess if you want to continue making those decisions or if you want to make new ones. I think that one of the things that I love about being in my 40s is I don't get so swept up in things anymore. Like, I used to really not understand that phrase, take it with a grain of salt. There was no salt. Every high was so high, every low was so low. It was very dramatic. And now I really value the chill.
Yeah.
I just feel like you can either fear aging or you can fear dying young. I just really want to hopefully live for and enjoy a life. I want to have a long, healthy life. Inshallah, I hope so. I feel like by default, I can't fear aging. So I guess the way that I get through it. No, I guess the way I approach it is curiosity. Like, what is it? What's out there? I've never been this at this age, so let's just figure it out. You still never know what's coming around the corner, and that's true if you're like 11 or you're 43. I don't know. So it's still really exciting to me.